In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use TradeStation hotkeys. Hotkeys are keyboard shortcuts that let you fire off common commands without digging through menus, which can save you serious time, especially when the market is moving fast. I'll walk you through opening the hotkeys window, finding the right command, and assigning a shortcut that makes sense for your workflow. First, open TradeStation Desktop. Once you're in, look to the top menu bar and click View, then Shortcuts, and then Hotkeys. That opens the central control panel for all keyboard shortcuts. If you've never been here before, don't worry, everything you need is on this one screen. Think of it as the map of what keys do what inside the platform. Next, it's time to find the command you want to accelerate. In the Categories list, choose the menu that matches where the command normally lives: Trade, File, View, and so on. This mirrors the platform's top menus, which makes it easier to browse. After you select a category, you'll see its available commands on the right. Click the specific command you want a shortcut for. If you're unsure, hover and read carefully so you don't assign a hotkey to the wrong action. It can help to pick commands you use multiple times a day, like placing or canceling orders, toggling a window, or switching layouts. Now assign the hotkey. Click Press New Hotkey. Then press the key combination you'd like to use, something like Ctrl plus B, or a mix of Ctrl, Alt, and Shift if you want to avoid conflicts. Keep it memorable and ergonomic. For example, a letter that reminds you of the command name can be easier to recall under pressure. If the combination is already taken, TradeStation will indicate a conflict. In that case, pick a different combo rather than overriding something important, unless you're absolutely sure you want to replace it. Once you've got a clean combination, click Assign to link that shortcut to your chosen command. When you're finished, click Close to exit the window and keep your changes. That's it. The next time you're working in TradeStation, pressing your new key combo will instantly perform that command. If it doesn't behave as expected, return to the same hotkeys window and confirm you assigned the shortcut to the correct command and category. Over time, build a small, consistent set of hotkeys for your most frequent tasks. Keep them simple, avoid duplicating system-level shortcuts, and you'll trade more efficiently with far fewer clicks.